After 90 years in the industry, Hyster understands the obstacles you're facing. Most importantly, we've spent those years thinking ahead, anticipating challenges, and developing the solutions to meet them. We're proud to announce that Hyster is electrifying higher capacity lift trucks, combining industrial strength with clean power to protect the environment and enhance your business. Hyster electric big trucks reduce emissions, fuel consumption, and maintenance costs while boosting performance and efficiency. Their exceptional traction power, acceleration, and visibility will make you feel like you're driving a diesel. It's a difference you'll see not only on job sites, but also on your spreadsheets. When you look at the total cost of ownership and long-term value of our electric big trucks, adding clean power to your fleet has never been easier or made more sense. Hyster electric big trucks, clean power that means business.